In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lead stage into the Zoho CRM. We'll walk through how to customize your lead stages so they match your actual sales process instead of forcing your team to work with generic or confusing options. By the end, you'll be able to add new stages, update existing ones, and organize everything so your pipeline and reports make much more sense. First, log in to your Zoho CRM account. At the top of the screen, look for the small gear icon, which represents Setup or Settings. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your customization tools live, so anytime you want to change how your CRM behaves, this is usually where you'll start. Once you're inside the Setup area, find the section labeled Customization. Under that, click on Modules and Fields. This is the place where you control what each module looks like, which fields are available, and how data is structured. Next, we're going to focus on the Leads module. On the list of modules, locate Leads, then hover your mouse over it. You should see either 3 dots or a small settings icon appear next to the word Leads. Click that, and from the options that appear, select Fields. This will open the layout and field configuration specifically for your leads. Inside the Leads Fields page, scroll until you find the field called Stage. This is usually a pick list, which means it's a drop-down with predefined options. Next to the Stage field, you'll see a small Edit or Settings icon, often shown as a pencil or a gear. Click that to open the configuration panel for this field. Now you can add or customize your lead stages. To create a new stage, look for an option like Add Picklist Values. Click that, then type the name of the new stage you want to add, such as Demo Scheduled or Negotiation. Try to use clear, action-based names that reflect real milestones in your sales process. You can also edit the existing stages. If a label doesn't fit your process, rename it to something more meaningful. You can drag and drop the stages to reorder them so they appear in the same sequence that a lead typically moves through your funnel. This order is important for clarity and reporting. While you're editing, assign each stage to a forecast category, such as Open, Not Qualified, or Junk. This helps your reports and dashboards give you more accurate insights into pipeline health and revenue expectations. When you're done making changes, don't forget to save. Look for the Save button, click it, and Zoho CRM will update the stage field with your new configuration. After that, your team will immediately see the updated stages when they work with leads.